Hi, I just welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought actually a new, let me show you, TCL 58-inch 4K HDR TV. Okay, Google TV. So this is a new actually TV, and I just bought here in Shopee. I bought it for 1,500 ringgit. You see, the date is just new 19/3/2023. So this is on the side. So it's a model 58 P635 TCL. Okay. So that's front, and also the back also this is same. So if you look into here, this front handling, dim lift. Okay, on the side, TCL Google HDR 676. Okay, all right, same. Now let's unbox it. So they gave these two. It's a plastic actually stand, plastic stand. You can see this. So because I'm not gonna use the stand because of I'm gonna hang it on the wall. Later I'm gonna show you how to install and everything. Okay. And the wire for okay. There's the converter, then the remote control. So it's like this, remote control, and then okay, Google and everything, and then they gave this battery, TCL battery, and then 4 screw. I don't know for what. 4 screw. And warranty card. If I'm not mistaken, it's 2 years warranty. And then before mounting to the wall and mount stand. Okay. And then the manual, operation manual. Okay. So busy, jom tolong. Angkat. Tak. Kan nanti kotak ni nak pakai balik, betul, nak buang apa, nak buang yang samping tu. Jangan pegang depan. Jangan pegang depan sana. Tak plastik. Cuba. You memuntut dekat video. Ke sana sikit. Dia ke sini. Ha. Cuma kat plastik. Oh.
Pegang bawah. Plastik pegang bawah. Tak plastik pegang bawah. Patut dia.
Jangan buka sini. Okey. Saya nak minta tolong you pegang sekejap. Okay, sekejap. So this is the TV. Okay, so it's TCL 2021 Global number 2, and then for HDR, and then Good TV Global number 2 HDR Dolby. Okay, edgeless design. So here's by the side. TCL there, and then bought water. What was that? Bought water. Be like a read. I want to show behind. Yep.
Kena pasang lampu.
So okay, here one USB RJ45, 1, 2, 3 HDMI, and then antenna, and then AV out, and then audio out, and that one. Okay, and then here's behind. Okay, 58 P635. Okay, so that's it, the unboxing for P635 TCL 58. Then I'm gonna do later on, I'm gonna do another 2 videos, setting, and also how to plug into the wall. Okay, bye, thank you very much for watching, bye bye.